Right, so if your alarm's gone off and you have a Vodafone Automotive Cobra alarm, when you disarm it, it will beep a few times. Jump in the car and do not turn the ignition on. If the alarm's triggered, it will store a fault code which will flash via the LED control panel, which is this thing here. You can also use this to do your PIN code disarm. There's a link in the video. So how do you count your flash pattern? Quite simply, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will keep repeating the flash code, and that will diagnose why the alarm has triggered. Now, this has got a code of 5. 5 means it's the boot circuit. All the other codes I've got listed on the website, so you can refer to them. So if your alarm's gone off, count the flash pattern and then check out my website, which is vehiclesecurity.co.nz.